Well, clearly we were at the arbitration because we didn't initiate arbitration. It was the investor that did, because the facts can be borne out. I mean, I could give you a tidbits of what the Trudy Bay Development Project initiated in 2016. Because you have to say how much applications, CBI applicants you need to get the resources. They were supposed to get, the project was supposed to be 52.5 million US dollars, and 150 CBI application would have done that. In 2017, the Trudy Bay Development requested an expansion of the project to US $99 million, which means 272 CBI applications. So there was a change from 15 to 17. In October 2017, the escrow accounts requirement was put in place. In 2020, the Trudy Bay Development Project, now renamed Kawana Bay Development, notifies CBS committee that it want to downgrade the project, which means that they're not planning to go to the level that they're talking about. By August 2020, the Kawana Bay Development did not put the escrow account in place, but requested an expansion to the project again. In September 2020, Kawana Bay requested an increased budget of 105.1. Remember, the project started at $52.1 million US. They then requested up to 99 million US, and now they're asking for $105.1 million. So in November 2020, they requested a further budget increase to 110 point, in other words, the thing growing, well, geometrically or arithmetically, or whatever you want to put it, citing increase in costs. So if you cite an increase in costs, the government clearly would have to ensure that you are justifying this. So in 2020, the CBI committee, which of course arm of the government, advised the organization that an engineer would evaluate the work, an independent engineer, and the cost of the project. The engineer reported that the estimated construction cost was, what he estimated based on what was done, was $47.4 million. In effect, he's saying he cannot justify the rationale behind the increase, because that was the level of the work that was done. In 2021, the CBI committee advised the organization that there were concerns about the project, including two companies, Grenco Limited from BVI and Trublo Services Limited, to which monies collected from the applications of government CBI program were being sent to. In other words, we were supposed to be funding activities of Trudy Bay Development Project, or Kawana Bay Development renamed. But we noticed two other organizations, monies were taken from our CBI passport services to those organizations. So the question, therefore, is who are these organizations, and is the investment in Grenada? And that was quite concerning to us. In June 2021, the company, instead of coming and justifying or saying the engineer was wrong and they would then debate it, they filed an arbitration claim before the ICID. So you see where we were? So my view is, since we had our facts, since the numbers we are now articulating is showing that we were justified in having concerns, we didn't get rid of them. I believe that the investment through the arbitration should have been utilized. But the government, clearly, I don't know for whatever reason, I don't know who lawyer is representing Trudy Bay Development, whoever that lawyer is. Maybe he had influence in the government or in the institution, and therefore they decided to not continue with the arbitration. And my view, therefore, almost saying that they're going to meet the request. I hope that's not what they meant, but it could be something like this. And that is why we are where we are today. So I don't even know if the Prime Minister or whoever understand the implication of what he is doing. It's always to try to, it might be good to imply that the NMP did something wrong, because I think that's the purpose. But forget NNP. What about Grenada? Is this action I'm taking, would it benefit Grenada? Is it in interest of Grenada or interest of whoever? I don't know.